start to read. OK，我跟你们说，老师现在的手根本抬不起来，就老师现在手，就只能抬到这里，就只能抬到这里，就抬不起来了，我的手废掉了已经。OK，所以小朋友们先看一下老师跟你们说的啊。So first of all, we're going to talk about something we learned before. What does that mean, Jeff?
It's like the numbers that can only be divisible by 1 and itself.
Very good. Prime number can be only divisible by 1 and itself. And also, this prime number could say that they only have 2 factors. Correct? It is 1 and itself. Correct? Correct, everybody? Okay, so we can also, can you tell me something about primes? How many prime numbers are there existing in the world?
Infinite.
Infinite. Very good. Okay, the second one. How many even prime numbers are there?
1.
Very good. Only 1. And what is that?
2.
Very good. Good job. Okay. So now let's take a look at today's thing. Okay. So if you all understand these ones, so we're going to start today's learning. Okay. So boys and girls. Yeah, where's my thingy? 又不动了，又不动了，又不动了。Sorry, just give me 1 second. Okay, so I can share the screen with all of you. Okay. Hello, Daniel.
Hello.
Hello, let's take a look at this one, okay? So we're learning the second part of the prime number. All the prime numbers are odd except 2, right? So that's why if you see there are 2 numbers plus together, both of them are prime number and plus together, the answer is odd. Margaret, one of them must be 2. Correct? Because even plus odd equals odd. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. The differences of 2 prime numbers is 101. What is the value of the larger prime numbers? Everybody, please send me the answer by chat. Very easy question, I have already seen. Okay, very good. Very easy, right? So Margaret, see, there are 2 prime numbers minus each other. Prime 2 minus prime 1 equals 101. So 101 is a what number? Is an odd number, correct? So that means 1 even plus odd equals odd. And also odd minus even equals odd as well, correct? So that means it must be 2, P1 must be 2. So it's 101. So what is the P2? 103. Okay, very good. I am hungry. Who's hungry? 那你叫你妈妈给你吃饭呀。你妈妈没给你饭吃啊。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So number 2. Okay, so this question is very easy. So if A plus B plus C equals 28, and A times B plus B times C plus A times C equals 185, where A, B, and C are all prime numbers, find the value of A times B times C. 什么东西啊？Margaret, what did your mom say?
She wasn't talking to me.
Oh, she wasn't talking to you. Okay.
Is A times B?
Yeah, A times B. Yes, you're right.
Harry,
Mm-hmm.
does B equal C?
It could be, but they're all prime numbers. So they're all
Yeah, so
all-
like, does B equal C? Like, can B equal C?
it can be. It can be, but just to remember, every single A and B and C must be prime numbers.
Okay.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so A plus B plus C equals 28, everybody. And 28 is an even number, right? So of course, if A, B, C are all odd, can you tell me, is it possible to equals an even? So odd plus odd equals even.
So there has to be a 2.
Very good. There has to be a 2. Very good, Margaret. Okay, so good job. So can we just make A equals 2? So maybe some people, Jeff said, I can make B equals 2. Yeah, it doesn't matter. But I just like make A equals 2. So now it became 2 plus B plus C equals 28. Who can tell me B plus C equals what? Gordon.
26.
Very good. 26. Okay, so now we have AB plus BC plus CA equals 185 equals what? Equals 2B plus BC plus 2C equals 185. Correct, everybody? Am I right? Okay, so now I'm going to
Right.
combine this 2B plus C plus BC equals 185. Do you get it? Because 2B plus 2C equals 2 times B plus C. And I like B plus C. Why? Because I know what is B plus C equals 26. So it's 2 times 26 plus BC equals 185. So this one is 52 plus BC equals 185. So BC equals what? Equals 185 minus 52, which is 133. Correct? Okay, 来Gordon 啊，看看啊，是不是就差了一点点对了，对不对 ？Okay, so my question is asking, what is ABC? We already know BC and we already know A. So ABC is what? Is 2 times 133 equals 266. Ollie, congratulations, you get it right. And Gordon, unfortunately, you get it right, but you have a typo, correct? Gordon 跟我说等于166，应该等于266，他应该是打错了，对不对 ？Understand emotional damage? And hi, I'm hungry. Do you understand? Margaret, understand? Yeah, I'm sorry, Margaret. All the student in this class is having a very weird name. So we must watch a movie. Do you understand? Okay, Daniel Fon, thank you very much. Thank you for being normal. Okay, so let's take a look at number 5. Good job, Ali, and good job, Gordon. Okay, the product, do you understand what is product, everybody? Product means 3 numbers times together, okay? A product of the 3 prime number is 5 times the sum of these prime numbers, and it is also divisible by 5. Find the remainder. Sum of these prime numbers is divided by 11. This is a very long number, okay? 首先，你要把这3个数乘起来，对不对？他说 the product of these prime numbers, so we can have A times B times C. That's the product of the 3 prime number is 5 times the sum of these. So it's 5 times A plus B plus C. Okay, and is also divisible by 5. Okay, so A, B, C is divisible by 5. And find the remainder. So we want to know A plus B plus C. Sorry, I don't want to put it here. I put it here. So A plus B plus C divided by 11. What is the remainder? Okay, boys and girls, your turn. I think it's A plus B plus C is divisible by 5. Or else it's not enough information. So everybody, I give you some hint, okay? So if A times B times C equals 5 times A plus B plus C, that means one of them must be what? Must be 5. Get it, Margaret? So, and we have B times C equals 5 plus B plus C. And we know A plus B plus C must be divisible by 5. So we can have a try. I think so, okay? Margaret 是不是已经突然不动？ So if they are 5 is an odd number. Okay. So if B and C are all odd. So odd plus odd plus odd equals what? Boys and girls?
Odd.
Odd plus odd plus odd equals odd. Correct, everybody? Okay. So that means B times C must be odd. So it could be okay. It could be odd times odd is still odd. Correct? So let's try to find out something. So we have one of those 5. Can you try to find out the answer yourself? 自己凑一下好不好，小朋友们？ But if one of them is even, is it working? So odd plus even plus odd could be even, right? And even times odd also could be even. So it could be, let's try to make b equals 2. So 2c equals 5 plus 2 plus c. I think I already know c equals what? C equals what? C equals 7. Get it? Everybody? Did you get it? So we can see, so the answer you can see, okay? So 5 plus 2 plus 7 equals 14. So 14 divided by 11 equals 1 and remainder is 3. Get it, Daniel? Stop being normal. But Daniel, you should say, Daniel, Margaret, stop being normal. And I think Jeff is a little bit cute, like nervous because Margaret is a girl. So he's not putting Margaret on top of the everything, but Daniel's fine. And there's Ollie. Ollie's normal, and Gordon's normal as well. There's so many people normal. Yeah, there's only hi, I'm hungry and emotional damage, and Daniel stop being normal. Understand, everybody? I'm going to stop here, and you can make it do like. Can you take a look? Okay. Okay, everybody. So let's move on. Do you understand this question? Let's take a look at number 4, okay? How many positive integers n is n minus 7 times n plus 1 a prime number? Okay, so let's think about it. In order to be a prime number, you have one number times one number equals a prime number. This is Jeff just told me. Prime number can be only described as 1 times itself. Okay, I stop here. I think you know the answer already. Margaret，你让你妈妈不要说话。啊，有人告诉我是 OK, yeah, one. Okay, so what are they? Tell me the number. Okay, very good. Carry 路啊，还有一个 carry 路，都叫 carry 路了。OK，我也不知道谁告诉的答案。OK，so the first of all is n is a positive number. Okay, in order to make the n positive, that means you must have this one either one, this one equals one, or this one equals one. Correct? So let's see. In order to make n plus 3 equals 1, so n need to equals negative 2. So obviously it's impossible. So n minus 7 equals 1, n equals 8.
No.
And then we'll put it over there. So n plus 3 equals 8 plus 3 equals 11. So 1 times 11 equals a prime number, which is good. Okay, so everybody, now I make it a little bit harder, okay? How many integer n is n minus 7 times n plus 3 a prime number? So now n doesn't have to be positive. Okay, Jeff? Okay, Daniel and Oliver? It could be positive or it could be negative as well. So it also could be 0. It could be anything as long as it's an integer. So it could be anything. So now can you, yeah, you can go to washroom. So please find out how many possible answers are there. Yeah, you can get your water. No problem. You can get your water. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So in order to make them n minus 7 times n plus 3 equals prime, of course, it must be 1 times prime or prime times 1, right? And also could be what? There's another one is what? Negative 1 times negative prime or negative prime times negative 1. Get it, everybody? So there are 4 possible answers there. Yes. 你看那个 Jeff 已经头都大了。
I forgot the other one was also prime. I thought only the first one was n.
Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, so n minus 7 equals 1. So n equals 8. And n plus 3 equals 11. So which n equals 8 is an answer. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So n plus 3 equals 1, which makes n equals negative 2. So n minus 7 equals what? Equals negative 2 minus 7 equals negative 9. So it's negative 9 times 1 equals negative. It's not right. So this one is not the answer. So C, n minus 7 equals negative 1. So n equals 6. So n plus 3 equals 9. 9 is not a prime number. So n equals 6 is not the right answer. But we can have n plus 3 equals negative 1. So n equals negative 4. So n minus 7 equals negative 4 minus 7 equals negative 11. So negative 11 times negative 1 equals 11, which is good. So we have 2 answers is n equals 8 or n equals negative 4. Get it, everybody? Okay, so Jeff, Oliver, Daniel, Margaret, you understand it's not good enough. Gordon, I want you to do it from the very beginning yourself as well. Okay, hi, I'm hungry. You have to do it. Write it down. Do like case number 1, case number 2, case number 3, and case number 4.
Can I go and find my eraser?
Of course. Nên luôn rồi mấy anh nha. Yêu anh tiền. Đi bàn. Okay, everybody, do you understand? I hope I did really good by just okay, yeah. Am I glitching? Right now it's good? Okay, do you understand, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so let's see. Prime number, a prime number, a prime number plus 1, and prime number plus 3 are all prime numbers. Find the sum of each number's reciprocals. Do you understand what is reciprocal? Okay, good.
Wait, Kiri,
Uh-huh.
are the prime numbers all the same?
No. Prime number 都不一样的呀，2、3、5、7、11、
The P.
Yeah,
the
yeah, P is the same. P is the same.
The
Okay.
reciprocal.
Reciprocal is 1 over that number. Like,
Wait, reciprocal is 1 over that number?
yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind.
Oh,
Harry,
Mm-hmm.
can P be 2?
Yeah, of course.
So, like, what does it mean to find the sum of each number is reciprocal? I know, like, what a
So for instance, if you have a
reciprocal
number,
is,
for instance, you have 3, you
in the-
have 5, you have 7, for instance, okay?
like,
Yeah, you just a 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 7. So that's the thing.
Oh, I thought it was 1 plus 3, like that.
Mhm.
yeah.
Oh,
It said like 1 over
Yeah,
that
1
number.
over. Yeah.
I thought it meant like 1 plus that number.
I know what a reciprocal is, but like, Carrie, are you
Mhm.
still here?
Yeah.
Is it a reciprocal like the two numbers they times each other and they equal 1?
No. Yeah. 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 If you have a 3 and 1 over 3 is a reciprocal, and the reciprocal times its own number equals 1. Yes, you're right. Okay, Gordon, and so let's take a look at this one, okay? In order to make this one and this one both prime number, because they all add an odd number, so P must be 2, right? So it's 2, 3, and 5. So basically you're 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 5. So equals 30, 15 plus 10 plus 6 equals 31 over 30. So the answer is 1 and 1 over 30. That's the answer. Or if you give me 31 over 30, it's also right. Okay? Ollie, did you get it right? Let me see. Yeah, I am hungry. 把这个题目就写给我了，让我帮他算，对不对？1/2加1/3加1/5不算的，就直接给我打过来，让老师帮你算，对不对？Okay, Alt plus F4 to open cut. You'll get it right. Very good. Daniel, good job. Gordon 不对啊，不是1.333333，1.03。Okay, Gordon, when you have the fraction version, it is right. Okay, Ellie, you didn't give me the answer. Okay, so do you understand right now? Okay. I'm not mean. You gave me the answer, not finished. Luciana, think about it. I want you to give me the sum. You gave me the equation. When p and p plus 2 are both prime numbers, calculate p plus 5, okay?
So it's 5 to the power of p.
No, just the p. I don't know where this 5 comes from.
Okay.
Oh, no, no, no. I think it's like that. Is it p and 5p plus 2? No, no, no. It's just a 5. It's just a p. I don't know where this 5.
Oh, okay.
OK，这个题目其实有很多答案，对不对？There are a lot of things, right? So p could be 3, and p plus 2 is 5. Correct? Both of them are prime numbers, right? It could be 11, and 11 plus 2 are 13, right? And also could be what? It could be 20.
One, oh, wait, wait.
这个我是
P1
22.
is it?
Oh, no, no. Oh, 11. Yes, 11 is right. And 16. Okay, 11 is right. Very good. 122 is 17. Yes, 17 is right. Okay, so boys and girls, you can find a lot of numbers like that. Correct? Okay, Ali? Correct? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so let's see. A, B, C are all prime numbers. A plus B equals 33. B plus C equals 44. C plus D equals 66. And what is C times D equals to? Okay, I have received Gordon's answer. I have received Ollie's answer. Good job. Okay, Jeff and Oliver and Daniel and Margaret, I'm looking, and I am stupid. You're going to give me the answer, okay? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so good job, everybody. So A plus B equals 33. Luciana, I really don't care about if I'm stupid or not. Okay, if you don't give me the answer, you are. I'm not. Okay, so A plus B equals 33. So A could equals 2 and B could equal 31, correct? Okay, but there's a possibility B equals 31, A equals 31, and A equals 2. Correct? Okay, so now let's see. B plus C equals 44. So if B equals 31, so C equals what? Equals 13, which is qualified. And let's see, B, if it is 2, then C equals what? 42, which is not qualified. So I can just eliminate this one. So then let's see, C plus D equals 66, and C equals 13, and D equals what? Equals 53. So what is C times D? 13 times 53. So the answer is 689. Congratulations, Doodle and Oliver. Good job. Daniel, good job. Margaret, Ollie, and Gordon, and Daniel. Yeah, everybody did it. Okay, only Luciana, you didn't give me the answer. Okay, I'm expecting you have a better result to me. Okay, I believe you. You can do it. Okay, A and B, both the prime numbers. And 3 times A plus 7 times B equals 41. Calculate what is A plus B. And boys and girls, good. Okay, good job. I don't know, like, who is who, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So 3 times A plus 7 times B equals a odd number. So we know that only odd plus even equals odd, right? So that means B or A, one of them must be 2. So let's see, if B equals 2, so it's 14 plus 41. So 3A plus 14 equals 41. So 3A equals what? Equals 27. So A equals 9. Is it working? No, because 9 is not a prime number. So that means A must be 2. So let's see, 3 times 2 plus 7B equals 41. So 7B equals 41 minus 6. So 7B equals 35. So B equals 5. Okay, so 5 is a prime number. It is working. So what is A plus B? 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay, let me see. Ollie, congratulations. Okay, and okay, Jeff, very quick. Good job. Daniel, very quick. You're the okay, no. Who's the quickest? Gordon. Gordon the cat is the quickest. Good job, Gordon. And the second one is press out and Oliver, good job. And Daniel and Jeff, everybody, good job. Okay, Margaret, did you notice that? Why you're making mistakes? Because you think A9 is not a prime number, correct? So that's why you're making mistakes here, right? You think B is 2, but B cannot be 2. A must be 2. Understood, Margaret?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good job. Not bad. Okay, so let's take a look at number 11, okay? So all the prime number has only two positive factors. We know that's 1 and itself, so the prime number can be only described as 1 times prime, okay? So find, 哎呦，这道题你们不能做，因为这道题有因式分解，我们不能做。我们先做这个，OK？A, B, C are all prime numbers. A plus B times B plus C equals 342. Find out what is B. Okay, so in order to do this question, everybody, remember I said, what did I say? I said the product is always better than the sum. Remember I said that? Okay, so if you remember what I said before, it's going to be really helpful. Okay. Let's take a look at this one, okay? So 342 divided by 2, 171. Divided by 3, 57. Divided by 3, 19. Okay, so basically you have 342 equals 2 times 3 times 3 times 19, correct? Okay, so we have know that 2 times 3 times 3 equals what? Equals 18. So a lot of students said, okay, it must be 18 plus 19. Okay, so if that's the case, this is 19. Two prime number plus together equals odd number equals what? So odd plus odd equals even, right? So this one must have a prime number. So is it C equals 2 or B equals 2? It must be C equals 2, because if B equals 2, then two of them will have an even number. So this one should be odd as well. So B equals 17 and B equals 17 and A equals 1. Is it right? No, because 1 is not a prime number. That's not right. Okay, so let's try the other one. How about 9 times 38? Can we do 9 times 38? Okay, so let's just make B plus C equals 9 and A plus B equals 38. Get it, everybody? You need to try to find out the answer, okay? I give you some time to do it. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So if C equals 2, B equals 7, B equals 7, and A equals 31. Yes, all of them are now prime numbers. So what is B? B equals 7. Congratulations, Oliver. Very good. Today, I think you deserve a red pocket. Jeff, understand? Gordon? Margaret? Okay, I'm going to do it again, okay? I want to make sure everybody understands it, okay? So 342 equals what? Equals 2 times 3 times 3 times 19. Correct, everybody? Okay, it also equals A plus B times B plus C. Okay, so obviously A plus B equals one of them, like something like that. So we can just keep trying, okay? So 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 19 equals 51. We can see. Based on B plus C equals 51, so I know one of them must be 2. And I know B cannot be 2. Why B is 2? If B is 2, so they're going to be 2 even number existing there. So it's going to be 2 of them must be all odd number. But now we have a 2. It's impossible. It must be 1 odd and 1 even. So impossible. So that means B cannot be 2. So if B is not 2, that means C must be 2. So if C is 2, B is 49. But 49 is not an odd number. Okay, sorry, prime number. So that's why. It's not 6 times 51. Okay, sorry, 57. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. 57. Okay, I calculation wrong. So now I'm using these two together equals A plus B. So it's 18 times 19. So if it's 18 times 19, so C equals 2, B equals 17, which is good because 17 is a prime number. But if this is 17, A must be 1. So A is not a prime number. So this one is not working either. So now I'm just going to make A plus B equals 9 and B plus C equals 38 because 9 times 38 equals 342, right? So again, we can make A equals 2, it doesn't matter, then B equals 7, and B equals 7, and C equals 31, right? If you can see, so it's exactly 9 times 38. So it works because every single number is a prime number, so B equals 7. Oliver, very good. Okay, understand, Gordon, Jeff, Margaret, Daniel, and I hate teachers, and Ollie. Do you understand all of them? Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the next one, okay? A, B, C are identical prime numbers. That means they're not the same, right? So A times B plus C equals 110 plus C.
Wait, Siri.
No, doesn't mean that they're the
I
same.
Oh, sorry, they're same, sorry. Yeah. I want to say they're the same, but they say they're not the same. Oh. I think they should be not the same. If they're the same, I don't think it's doable. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think it should be this, not the same. Okay, I think it's the question is having something wrong. If it is the same, I don't think we can do it. So let's do it not the same, okay? Boys and girls, yeah, it cannot be the same. Okay, so let's try to do this 1 hour together, okay? So if they're not the same, everybody, let's see. So this one is an even number. And this one, if it is odd, so everybody, even plus odd equals what? Equals odd, right? So, and we can have, if C is an even number, so, which is impossible because, 110 plus 2 equals 112. So A must be 2 as well. Get it, everybody? Okay, so we cannot have them all in 2, right? It's impossible, correct? So that's why C must be an odd number. Do you agree with me, everybody? Agreed? Okay, good job. Okay, so let's see. So this is an odd. So that means A must be odd as well. Right? So odd times odd equals odd, right? So that means B plus C must be odd as well. And B and C, if they're both odd, because we already know C is odd, so B cannot be odd anymore. So B is what? B is 2. So the answer, B is 2, is done. Get it, everybody? So we don't have to talk about the rest of the number. Understood? The question only asks you, what is B? So you don't have to do anything else. So it's a not identical prime number. Get it, everybody? Margaret, understand? So let's do it, okay? This is what? This is logic. 因为像破案一样的，对不对 ？OK， 我们来看一下。OK, A times B plus C equals 110 plus C. Okay, so let's see. If C is an even number, okay, which is 2, so it's 102. So A times B plus 2. So it must be an even number times a number equals what? Equals an even number, correct? So that means A must be 2 as well, but C already equals 2. So this is impossible. So immediately I know C must be what? C must be odd. C is an odd. So C is an odd number. Okay, so 110 plus C equals odd. So this is an odd. Okay, so A is also, I don't know A is odd or even, but if A is even, so even times even equals even. Even times odd equals even. So if you have a number times anything is even, everything will be even. So A must be odd as well. Okay, so odd times odd equals odd. Odd times even equals even. So this number must be odd as well, the whole thing. So C must be odd. So if B is also odd, odd plus odd equals even, which is impossible because I want B plus C equals odd. So B must be even. So that's why B equals 2. Understood, everybody? Okay, there's nothing fancy, but only just odd, even, odd. Correct, Jeff? Right? Okay, so nothing fancy. And you see, I'm not asking you what is A, what is C. I only ask you what is B. Okay, so there must be some tricks here. Okay, understand, everybody? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. ABBA is a 4-digit number. A equals B? Huh? Huh? Oh, yeah. Huh? Must be something missing here. And AB and BA are both prime numbers. How many qualified ABBAs are there? A equals B. A cannot equals B. You know what? This question, we cannot do it. Okay, I'm sorry.
Wait, Carrie, we can do this question because it's asking you how much how much qualified ABBAs are there. It's like
可是
like-
他告诉我，如果 A 等于 B，那不对了呀。
I know, like qualified. It's like
Yeah.
how much
I
right?
know
Yeah.
what it is. A is not equals to B. Everybody, this is A is not equals to B. Yes, you can do it. Go
Oh, okay.
ahead.
Harry,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
like, does A and B have to be like 1-digit numbers?
yeah, of course.
Okay.
Okay, so there are a lot of number like that, right? Everybody, let's see. So if you have 17, is it 71 qualified? Okay, if you have 30, 13, and 31 qualified, correct? Okay, if you have 11 and 11 is not qualified because A and B cannot equals to each other, right? You can see 19 and 91, no, because 91 is not a prime. So for starting with 1, you have 1, 7, and 7, 1. Okay, so of course you can starting everything we're starting with 2, you don't have to worry about it because you know like 23 and 32, you end up with 2, it's not a prime number anymore, right? So immediately we jump to 3, right? So 31 and 1 3. So 1 3 3 1 and 3 1 1 3 is 2 different numbers. So this one is qualified. Okay, and we can have 37 and 73. Okay, so now jump to 5. We don't have to do 5 because 5, if you reversed it, it will be end up with 5. They have the factor of 5, it's not qualified. So 6 jump and 7. So 71 and 17, right? And 73 and 37. Correct? Okay, do we have 79 and 97? Is 97 a prime?
Yes.
Okay, so this one is also not, right? OK，每个小朋友的看老师一边写，你们一边改答案，从4从6到7，你们有没有自己的答案的？OK, so 97 and 79 is also a 1, right? And 93 and no, 93 is not. Okay, so 95, 93, yeah. So altogether they allow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. Get it, everybody? 6? Okay, really? Some of them are not right? I think I'm not sure. Okay, so you can take a look. So now let's take a look at the next one. There are 3 cards. They are 1, 2, and 3. Okay, Jaden picked 1, 2, or 3 cards to make prime numbers. How many prime numbers are there?
Like two of the same cards.
Yeah, yeah, you can, yeah, there are only 3 cards,你怎么拿 same cards? 只有一张彩啊。
Kira, do you have to pick up all of the cards?
No,
You don't have to pick all of the cards. Oh, okay,
it
never
could
mind.
be 1, it could be 2, or it could be 3. Very good question. Okay, so we have what? First, 2 is a number, 3 is a number, correct? And 13 is a number, and 23 is a number, correct, everybody? And 31 is a number, am I right? Okay, so there are 5, and how about like take a look at this one? So how about 1, 2, 3? So if you're using all 3 numbers, don't worry about it. None of them are prime numbers because 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, and 6 is divisible by 3, and this whole number, no matter how you put the name and the place, they're always divisible by 3. Correct, everybody? So the answer is 5. Very good. Okay, I have seen Gordon and guys own classes over. And Windows plus L to unmute. Okay, a lot of you get it right. And Daniel, good job. And guys, Margaret, very good. Margaret is the first one, get it right. Good job. Okay, which I don't see you, Margaret. Okay, let's take a look at the last one. Okay, natural number n is 2-digit prime number, and each digit of this number is also prime number. How many numbers are there? How many such numbers are there? So any 2-digit number? So 23. 29, no. 27, no. 25, no. 21, no. So starting with 2, it's only 23, right? Okay, so 30, what? 37, correct? Only one. And 40, no. So 53, correct? Okay, so 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 79, correct? Okay, sorry, 79 is not what I'm doing. 9 is not a prime number. Okay, so 8 and 9, no, there's nothing. So altogether, they'll have 4. Let me see who got it right. Ooh, Margaret is the first one. Again, good job, Margaret. Daniel, good job. Where is the movie? Okay, so now let's take a look at the movie time, okay? So yeah, we're going to watch not a movie, actually. It is it's something like talk
There's
about.
like 2 seconds left.
No, yeah, you can just stay for 3 minutes longer, can we? You don't want to? You broke my
I
heart.
want to.
Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? Oh, why it's not moving or anything? Give me 1 second. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to share. It's loading. It's loading very slowly.
When you were 15 years old, what job did you?
What?
When you were 15 years old, what job did you?
Oh my God. Why
I
it
feel
is
like we watch this.
you have watched this already?
I feel like we just can't.
没有，我刚才放过了呀。我刚才不应该把它关掉的。嗯。I'm sorry. Let's just try it again. No. 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 You know what? I'm gonna send it to like next week. Next week we can watch something else. Okay. I'm sorry. It's not loading at all. Okay.
I won't be here.
啊，为什么？你下个星期干嘛去了？
我有去 Halifax 踢球。
哦，你去 Halifax 踢球，那边很开心。你可以在不行，Halifax 很晚了。
对。
不，你可以看录像啊，看录像，我们可以看录像。
Yeah.
Okay. So everybody, this is really good. Okay. So I have to say, Oliver's really good. Margaret, okay. Everybody, I think this week is really good. Trying your best. And Daniel, Gordon, Ollie, I hate teachers. Okay, guys, oh my God, class is over. And I'm very impressed with everybody's hardworking. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna see each other next week, and I'm going to send the homework into the WeChat because Ollie is better just to get it over there. Okay. But my shoulder's really hurting. So Ollie, I'm going to send you back the answer like maybe tomorrow. I really need some resting. Okay, so
What happened to your shoulder?
I just I am a very bad person. I don't like exercise at all. So I just always sitting there and do a lot of math quick questions. I sit there and do math and sit there, do math and sit there, do math. Unlike Jeff, okay? Jeff
I
is
see
bigger.
weights behind you.
Yeah,
I
Jeff
see
is.
dumbbells.
Yeah, I tried to do some exercise, but I always forgot. And unlike Jeff, because Jeff is always like doing 踢球啊什么的，对不对？你们每个人都有运动，可是我没有，所以我肩膀现在非常疼。Like while I'm just talking to others, like right now, the mouth is the only part when I'm moving, it's not hurting, and the rest of them, 我每次动一下都觉得爆疼，疼死我了。Okay, so I'm sorry, but you really gave me a really good class. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. So we're going to see each other next week. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.